Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this Y2K outfit and dress and press without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is for the outfit. First of all, you can put on this hairstyle and then you're going to color it with this color for the first selection and for the second selection. And then you're going to put on this hat, make it this color for the first selection, second selection, third selection, fourth selection, and fifth selection. And put on this sunglasses, make it this color for the frame, and this necklace, make it this color, and this earring. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to move to this area, and I'm going to select this item. Okay, and for this one, I'm going to make it this color. Then guys, you're going to select this boot. Okay, just leave it like that for the color. And then I'm going to go to the jeans area right here, and then we're going to put on this jeans, and I'm going to remove the flower and apply this pattern. Alright, and then I'm going to go to this area, select this belt. Okay, and then we're going to add chains. For the chains guys, I'm going to apply this yellow color, okay, for the second selection and also the third selection. Alright, and then I'm going to go to this area and put on this item. And for the color, I'm going to make it this color for the first selection and also the second selection. Okay, and I'm going to move to the changing room, go to the girls item, and you're going to put on this jacket. And I'm going to remove the watermelon, and for this jacket, I'm going to make it this color for first selection and also the second selection. Okay, and the last one, I'm going to go to this area and put on this bag. Okay, and for this bag, I'm going to apply this color. Oops, for the first selection, I'm gonna apply this pattern, and for the next one, I'm going to make it this color. Okay guys, and this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the way to recreate. Okay, and that's all the way to create this Y2K outfit and dress and press without VIP. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.